Yo guys, finally I'm back with another quick tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to smooth your face with Smudge Tool. Mostly if you select your Smudge Tool, the normal one, the default smudge brush tool will not smooth your face. As you can see here, it's not smoothing the face as it is doing with the modified brush tool. You need to download it. Link is given below in the description, and the complete video, if you want to watch it, then just check out my I button link. You will get a video in Hindi or Urdu tutorial where I will show you a complete method to how to use a smudge tool to clean your face. In this video I'm just showing you to download this smudge tool from a website. Link is given below in the description. Simply download it. You will get file in a zip like this, and then you need to extract it in a folder. You will get this file, and then you simply need to go into the Photoshop, then click on the file, then click on open and select the brush, click on open. You will get it. After that, just select your smudge tool and then go here in brush tools, scroll down, and in the end you will get this tool. Just select any, and now you can see here I'm doing it on 35